Your website is interviewing customers, not the other way around. Most business owners think customers visit their website to learn about them. That's not true. Your website is actually interviewing your customers, deciding who stays, who leaves, and who's serious. And most people don't even realize this interview is happening. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur with a website or planning to build one, this video will change how you see your online presence. Because your website isn't just a digital brochure. It's not just a place for information. It's a filter, a decision system, a silent gatekeeper for your business. Let me show you what your website is really doing behind the scenes. Websites filter people. Every visitor who lands on your website is answering questions, even if they never fill out a form. Questions like, do I trust this business? Do they feel legitimate? Is this worth my time? Do they understand what I need? Your website watches how they respond. Do they stay? Do they scroll? Do they click? Or do they leave in seconds? That's the interview. And the structure of your website determines who passes. What a website filters out. A well-built website filters out people who aren't serious, people looking for shortcuts, people who don't value professionalism, people who would waste your time. An unclear or poorly built website does the opposite. It attracts confusion, low-quality inquiries, price shoppers with no commitment. This is why some business owners feel constantly busy, but not productive. Their website isn't filtering, it's inviting everyone. How structure interviews visitors. Professional websites don't rely on decoration, they rely on structure. Clear messaging tells visitors, this business knows who it serves. Strong navigation says, this process is organized. Intentional calls to action communicate, we're confident, we know what the next step is. When structure is missing, visitors hesitate, and hesitation ends interviews early. Why DIY websites fail this test? DIY websites usually focus on filling space, adding features, making things look okay. But they rarely ask, what behavior do we want from visitors? Without that thinking, the website interviews randomly. It doesn't guide, it doesn't filter, it doesn't qualify, it simply exists. And existing online is no longer enough. Why professional developers think differently? Professional website developers don't just build pages. They design decisions. They think about who this business wants to attract, what trust needs to be established, how confidence is communicated, how time is protected for the owner. This is why professionally managed websites feel calm, clear, and credible. They don't shout, they don't beg, they quietly qualify. The right website saves you time. The goal of a great website isn't more traffic. It's better conversations, better clients, better use of your time. When your website interviews properly, you stop chasing, you start attracting. Most businesses don't need more customers, they need the right ones. And that starts with a website built to think strategically, not just visually. That's the difference between having a website and having one that works for you. Built fast, manage smart, engage your business, our expertise.